is our research facility, Trisolace. It was a ghetto sort of structure, uncompleted. Then we did a roof, a temporary roof. Then we used it as a research facility. So this is our facility. This is about 3 meters by 4 meters here. And this is just one of our research facilities. This is not our big facility. This is where we started from. We started from this particular facility, this box, which is 3 meters by a meter. So this is where the snails used to be, and now it's housing their feed, you know. So and why we actually went from wood to blocks is that wood, the wood wasn't really very good. It harbored some insects, and then right now we are using the blocks type of setup. So this is basically what we started from, a wire mesh and a wooden structure. Then we came into this facility. So all these are research based. It's a controlled environment, so we can regulate temperature, we can regulate virtually every other thing. So that is it. So let's see the occupants. So these are some of the snails. They are estivating. Most of them are inside, so you can only see a few because they are inside. So this is it. These are some of them. They look like rocks because of the dry season. Yes, they are inside the soil. Most of them are hidden and they are estivating. Let's look at one estivating snail. Kindly bring that one out. Yeah. So this is what we call estivating. When estivating is basically when the soil or the temperature changes and the snail senses that food will be scarce, and it goes. So you can see as she's digging, the more she digs, the more she finds them. And this is an estivating snail. Kindly bring that one out and let's see. So estivating snails are basically snails who are sleeping. Yeah. So you see they have that hard calcareous cover, and they breathe through a small slit there, a small slit there. Yes, so basically that is them. Sure. So this is the facility, and we have some of the snails here as well. We have some here as well. So this is the block structure. The block structure also has its own downside. So these are some of the snails. Some are not sleeping, others too are sleeping because they are nocturnal. You know, this one is estivating. You can see it has a hard cover over the face. Yeah. So that is basically some of them. And this guy here, this guy here is not sleeping. So that is our research facility. I hope to talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.